Bro, clapping is just hitting yourself repeatedly because you like something.
Your eyeballs will probably never touch another person's eyeball.
Any stairway is a stairway to heaven if you're clumsy.
Game developers try to make their games look as realistic as possible. But most people play games to escape reality.
You know, if you think about it, your burps are just your pukes farts.
Arguing with dumb people actually makes you smarter because you have to figure out ways to explain things in a way that the dumb person can understand.
My guy, every book you've ever read is just a remix of the dictionary.